Health Zone presents 7 amazing things your body does while you sleep. Did you know that while you are sleeping, your body's systems are doing lots of crazy things? Some will blow your mind, but don't worry, these things are all normal. Still, you may never think of hitting the hay the same way after reading this. Things you never knew your body does while you sleep. 1. You lose weight. You lose water breathing out humid air and through perspiring during the night. This happens during the day too, but drinking and eating while you are awake negates any weight loss. If you are getting just 4 to 5 hours of sleep per night, you could be cancelling out whatever exercise and diet choices you are making during the day. To reduce your waistline, get at least 7 hours of sleep per night. 2. Your body temperature goes down. Your body temperature goes way down. When you are active during the day, you are burning more calories. So, lowering temperature is a way to save calories and reduce the burn rate. 3. Your blood pressure and heart rate decreases. When you are resting, your body does not need to pump as much blood or work as hard, so these systems slow down. Blood pressure needs to go down at night, giving your circulatory system and cardiac muscle time to relax and repair. It is important for individuals with high blood pressure to get at least 7 hours of sleep to experience that temporary drop, as it reduces the risk for heart disease. If you are suffering from sleep apnea, get treatment because that condition can increase nighttime blood pressure. 4. You dream. If you have awoken after a vivid dream, then you are familiar about the vague unease of wondering if it was real. Despite much research into dreaming and so many hypotheses about why we dream and these dreams mean, these everyday occurrences are still a mystery. Scientists have not yet determined why we dream as we do, or found a proven process that would explain the content of the dreams. 5. You are paralyzed for a bit. In REM sleep, the dreamy state of the sleep cycle, the muscle groups become paralyzed to prevent you acting out your dreams. Sleep scientists call this atonia, which is important because in this state your brain is active, and your eyes are darting creepily from side to side. When atonia does not work, you can experience some interesting phenomenon such as sleepwalking. And when atonia works but your brain decides to awake, you experience the mind-body mashup that is known as sleep paralysis. 6. Produces human growth hormone. Total body relaxation results in what is human growth hormone. Helps the bone, muscles, and other tissues regenerate. The helpful hormone is released while you sleep, most especially its deepest stages, and is thought to be prompted by low blood glucose levels present during sleep. Therefore, there is some science behind the concept of beauty sleep. 7. Slows down your kidneys. Kidneys function normally to filter toxins out of the bloodstream, therefore producing urine. As you sleep, the filtering action of the kidneys slow down, so that less urine is produced. This is the reason your urine is usually so dark the first time you pee in the morning. If the video was helpful, press the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel by clicking the red box below. Thank you for watching.